You thought I was kidding. Nom, nom. I try, Hinks. Python is what we're coding in, but I'm not exactly sure how to get this all up and running. KRPC. Learning to code with KSP. All right, let's do this. Okay, there's the KRPC documentation. All right. I'm just going to go refill my water here. And we'll go from there. Now, fellas, one thing that I'm not going to want, and I'm just going to say this once, okay? I know there's a lot of people that think they code better than everybody else, and there probably is. I don't care if you think you can code better than anybody else. I don't give a frick what favorite program you use. Oh, this program sucks. Why are you using this? If that I'm not going to tolerate. I'm not going to stand for it at all. Like that, I hate that. I hate that stuff. I hate it. I can't stand it. You don't know better. Probably know more than me, but oh, this program's crap. Oh, this program, I don't care. I don't care about what program you like to use. All right? Let's just make that very clear. If you want to recommend a program, I don't have a problem with that. But I've noticed this with people that like to code. Everybody thinks they can code better than everybody else. It's a little bit annoying, and I don't really appreciate it. Just putting it out there. And I don't need any of that in here. You're not going to help by saying, oh, why are you using this program, EJ? That program sucks. Use this program. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care what you have to say. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be mean. It's just if I let that ride and I don't say something right now, people will inevitably get into a fight, and it's going to be weird. Coca-Cola is better than Pepsi. I said it. I agree with you, Coder. Dogs and cats living together. Mass hysteria. That's right. All right. Let's figure this out. Now, Bandit, there's disagreeing, and then there's just straight blasphemy. I will not allow blasphemy in this chat. All right. There's that, and then there's just blasphemy, okay? So here, how about we put the new astronauts on, and let's figure this one out. All right. Getting started. This short guide explains the basis for getting a KRPC server set up and running, writing a basic Python script to interact with the game, okay? Ford and Chevy are equally bad. I will take the hit on that one, Akabidi, because that also acknowledges that Chevy is bad, and I'm okay with that because it is. You watching the London game in the morning? No. No, I'm not doing that. What's up, Esterton? How are you, man? All right, dudes. Let's figure this out. Ford Torino's better than the Chevelle. Deal with it. You notice how I don't like it when people do this with code, but then I do it exactly with cars? I don't know. The truth of the matter is that all old cars are nice. They're just all made better. But, I mean, I'm a car snob, not a code snob. So, two different things. What language are you going to code in? Python? Kyron, I will not allow blasphemy in my chat. I just got finished telling Bandit that. Alright. Download and install the KRPC server plugin. Okay. Start up KSP and load up a save. Alright, let's do this. Seconded, goalie. Oh. Ah. Use pants. I didn't even have to do it. Tesla got my back on that one. Cars are electric now. Checkmate. Oh, yeah. We added more. I remember now. Yeah, we added stuff to KSC with Kerbal constructs. Y'all remember that? This is getting out of hand. Now there are two of them. Alright, so. You should be greeted by the server window. Hey, there we go. Alright. Click Start Server to start the server. If all goes well, the lights should turn a happy green color. That's a shame, goalie. Well, we're getting off to a good start here. We're getting off to a good start. Maybe add server? Oh, there we go. Alright. The server is configured by clicking editing the window. This is the protocol used by the server. This affects the type of client that connect to it. For Python and most other clients that communicate over TCP. What's TCP? Something protocol. Internet protocol. Transfer. Crap. Balls protocol. Come on. Tech people, I know you're here. Transmission control protocol. Thank you. Wait. Is it a transmission that requires inverse reactive current for use in unilateral phase detractors? No, it's not. Oh, okay. For Python and most other clients that communicate over TCP IP, you want to select the protobuf over TCP. Okay. There are no Marsal veins in sight. Damn. This is the IP address the server will listen on. To allow connections from the local machine, select localhost by default. To allow connections over a network, either select the local IP address of your machine or choose manual and enter the local IP address manually. It's communicating over... Wait, 127? Huh. That's localhost? Yeah, there you go. That's the localhost IP. Got it. I'm thinking 192.168. Differences. All right. Yeah, exactly, Tavik. Yeah. Dude, it's been a long time since I've done anything with, like, other than just plugging in switches and stuff. Okay. The Python client on Windows. If you don't already have Python installed, download the Python installer and then run it. While running the installer, make sure that pip is installed as well. Is that not what PyCharm is? PyCharm can manage the Python install for you. Okay. So why did we start the local server, fellas? All right. EJ has a question. Why did we start that server? Is Kerbal opening up a localhost server to communicate with? It's using that server as an intermediary for the code to go with the game, right? Is that what I'm thinking? Kerbal hosts a server that Python can talk to. Why do you have drummer is a muppet? Because he is. You muppet. You muppet. Alright, anyway. KRPC is Kerbal Remote Procedural Call. Oh, okay. I got you. I got you. Gagan, I don't see your last anywhere. Unless it's not a tag. Oh. You should open it to the internet so we can hack your rockets in real time. No. Alright, so... Oh boy. Hello world. Run KSP and start the server with the default settings, then run the following Python script. Okay. Have to pip install KRPC. What the heck is pip install? I don't understand what that means. Down there at the console, run pip install KRPC. Nope. Didn't like that. Well, I'm gonna go over here. Yeah? Hold on to your butts. You didn't say the magic word. You need to install pip. Pip is not in your path. Alright, predominant. Here we go. Voice me.
Hello.
Hi, buddy.
How you doing?
I see a lot of red, so
Yeah, there's a couple of things so when you're using PyCharm, it tries to set up an environment that's good for you, good for your programming. What you'll notice is when you open that terminal, there's a bunch of red first, like before you run that command.
yeah.
There's a thing that we need to do to set it so that that error doesn't happen when you start, and so runs a proper environment.
Okay.
Just looking for the command.
I think some folks typed it in chat, so it's Python -m pip install krpc, like that.
Try that.
Python was not found. Run without
Yeah.
arguments to install from the Microsoft Store or disable the shortcut from settings.
Don't do that. We need to set up PyCharm properly.
Okay.
Um,
Just click Python packages. No need to do any of that PyCharm. Any of that PyCharm can manage it for you. Python packages. Okay, over here.
can you open a PowerShell as administrator?
I don't know what that means.
Go to Start and search for PowerShell.
Well, it seems like there's the Python package installer is. Check up on the screen here.
Yeah. I see that, but the first problem is that when you try and run stuff in your terminal, it's erroring. So I want to fix that first.
You need to enable scripts to run in your terminal. Okay, is that?
Yes, that's what I'm trying to get you to do.
Okay, shoot.
So from your Start menu, search for PowerShell, right-click on it, and run as administrator.
Okay.
And I want you to
PowerShell.
run the command I sent to you in Discord.
Hackermans. Just like
Yep,
that?
run that. Yep. And then I want you to yes.
Just yes or yes to all?
Yes to all.
Hold on to your butts. Here you go. Done.
Okay. I want you to go back to PyCharm and close the terminal and reopen it.
Close the
Or
tab.
start a new one. Yep. And then press the plus to open a new one.
Got it.
And it should not error anymore.
All right, so...
Okay. So now see it says VENV at the start?
Oh, yeah.
You're in like a virtual console now that's
Cool.
managed Python. So you can do pip install krpc now.
It didn't do anything, so I'd assume... Oh, there it goes. Oh, okay. All right. It's...
Ignore the errors there. It should be fine. It'll take a little while. It's just downloading all the bits.
You didn't say the magic word. You didn't say the magic word. Please, man, I hate this hacker stuff.
Okay, so now the code at the top that you've got should no longer, like the red line should disappear from under krpc at the top. Try hitting run, the little play button. Oh, you need to configure it to run the right thing.
No, it just ran. It ran main, right?
Mm-hmm. So I think you can right click on the tab and say run hello world. Name long is not defined. What Python version are we running?
No, this is predominant. Mr. Weldon in chat.
So what's I just got to look at KRPC's Python version requirements.
What if I try running the script in KSP?
Uh, uh, that's not how it works.
Okay.
It says KRPC supports both Python 2.7 and 3, so that should be fine. And you should be on version 3.9. In your terminal, if you type Python space minus minus version, it'll tell you what version you've got.
3.10.7.
3.10. Okay. The good thing is we both have the same error right now.
Okay.
I'm trying to figure this out.
Huh. Try the following. Pit install setup tools equals 57.5.0. The problem is from the import line.
Hmm.
Line 1.
So KRPC is using a long, but in Python 3, long was changed to uh, looks like long was changed to int, but it should still be working.
Still can't believe how different freaking Gerbil looks. That's unbelievable. Jeez, that's weird. Nephley, what's that? So I'm pulling something up on the hmm. What does Python see as the latest KRPC version? It should be, yeah. Uh-uh. There's an install button. I clicked it. You'll have to pin the version of setup tools using the command pip install setup tools 57 and for KRPC to install property, do a break in 58. Okay, so you want me to go back over to the terminal here and do that. Try the code first, okay?
Yeah, I did that. That doesn't help.
Try, all right. So let's go into the terminal, do that. Oh. This is predominant, Nuffly. He, does a lot of coding, to say the least. Uppercase U. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Okay, I have the solution.
Okie dokie. I think I may have
You
gotten it here. Hold on.
There's another thing that you need to do as well. It's another package that you need to install.
Okay.
It's protobuf 3.20. I'll just put it in Discord, shall I? Pip install protobuf equals 3.20.0. Then you'll need to uninstall KRPC and then reinstall KRPC.
Okay. So how do we...
Protobuf is the library that talks to the server. So pip uninstall KRPC. And then confirm it when it asks, and then pip install KRPC.
Successfully installed.
And then right-click on your Hello World file, or yeah, just click Run. You've already got that ready to run. Click the play button, and you should be good.
It's not mad. It's not mad. Chad, it's not mad! Hackermans.
Do you have anything on the launchpad?
Yes, I do.
You should be printing out the vessel name.
I am invincible! No, it will ask for you to allow. What do you mean, what's gonna ask? Can I close the PowerShell?
You can close PowerShell, yeah. Your server's already started. Local clients only, no clients connected. Yeah, remove that second server. Go back to your code window. Oh, confirm. Auto start server, auto accept new clients. Click on that in Kerbal. It's like the second option down.
Oh! It did. Corbin, it moved.
And you should have some output in your PyCharm window. There's your vessel name, Jebstone 4, Block 2.
No The Hackerman! We did it! We did it! I am invincible!
Alright, so what I did was help you with the setup. I'm not going to help you with code unless you ask. So I'm going to leave you for now.
Alright.
You can follow the getting started guide.
Thanks, man.
Without any problems. Alright, I'll talk to you later.
Give me the codes, Natalia! Give them to me! Oh, he left. Okay. How long did you say that fuse was? Oh, crap.
Discovery, go and throttle up.
Frightening, really. Alright, well, we got it to... It's talking to it, so... Alright, let's go. Neat. But don't touch that. It's my lunch. You've written your first script that communicates with KSP. Excuse me, Chad, I need to, I need my reading glasses. There we go. Need my reading glasses. We should go back to the tutorials part. Please. Sorry, I'm getting old. Need my reading glasses. There we go. Alright, let me take a look here. Know about inverse kinematics, Louisa. I've rigged things in 3D before. Oh, tutorial on how to do all that stuff is right there. Dark mode, aka the first step in app development. There's a next button at the bottom of the page. Next. This introductory tutorial uses KRPC to send some Kerbals on a suborbital flight and hopefully returns them safely back to Kerbin. It covers the following topics: controlling a rocket, activating the stages and setting the throttle, using the autopilot to point the vessel in a specific direction, using events to wait for things to happen in game, tracking the amount of resources in the vessel, tracking flight and orbital data such as altitude, apoapsis. Oh, that's bitchin'! That's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna make these things fly the crap out of themselves. Part 1. Preparing your thrusters. First thing we need to do is open a connection to the server. We can also pass a descriptive name for our script that will appear in the server window in-game. Oh, change the tab. Yeah! Yeah, word. Oh, weather guy, you have no idea. You have no idea. I can understand this. It clicked. Clicked up here. When it clicks up here, watch out. For instance, Timberborn clicked after a couple of days. Look what happened there. See what I'm talking? You see where I'm going with this? I can figure this out. It's a Unix system. I know this. This is gonna get out of hand real fast. Look what happened. Many a beaver died. You shut your rockety mouth. Are you playing Timberborn too? Oh yeah, I have like 150 beaver colony. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Took me, a lot of beavers died to get to that point, but Whatever. Okay, first thing we need to do is open a connection to the server. Alright, so let's go over here like this. I'm just gonna... You know what? So we need to connect to KRPC first, right? I'm gonna try to MGB. Not sure I know what I'm doing, but we'll try. Alright, so... Fellas, back in the day, I always wrote what the code is. How I wrote code way back. This was 15, 20 years ago. How I always wrote it was I always put comments in. I always put comments in to say what it does and how it works. It helps me figure it out, because you're not gonna know what the hell this is if you go back in 3 weeks and look at it. You're gonna be like, what was I doing? So, what Rocket said, we gotta import KRPC. Okay. So, I always made sure that I was very anal with the code, like how I'm anal with, like, when the spacecraft goes together, it has to go together in a very specific way. That's how I am with code, but keep in mind, it's been 15, 20 years. The last class that I took was a Java class, and that was my junior year of high school, so that would have been 2005. Yeah. That's what I mean about 15, 20 years ago. I know that Python is a different language. I understand that. Comments are your friend. That was taught to us on day one. Alright, so, how do you... Thanks, Aqualex. How do you comment? Because in Java it was double hash, and then in C++ I know it's double hash as well. It's just the okay, so it's the pound sign. Got it. Okay. Cool. All right, so let's do this. First, KSP script written IEJ in 15 years. Okay, so we got to go back here, and we have to go back one more. I always got into a habit of trying to do this. This was the other thing my coding teacher taught me. So import KRPC. Con equals KRPC. Oh, we don't need it. Yeah, we should do that. It's, yeah, okay. So game equals sub suborbital tutorial flight. That needs to be, yep, okay, got it. Yeah, I got it. I don't think we need that. That one's calling for the active vessel, right? Or... well, yeah, I suppose we should. I gotta move the joystick out of the way. Yeah, I got it. Alright. Alright, so what is it looking for? Vessel will be the object that defines the spacecraft you want to control. So vessel says it's controlling the active vessel. So the rocket guy, guys, all right, this is gonna sound dumb. I gotta talk myself through this. This is gonna be like training wheels, man. It's gonna be like training wheels. Because if I'm gonna learn this, we're gonna do it right? Just like everything else. All right, so line 6, right there. That's what vessel it's looking for. So if it's con.spacecenter.active vessel, that means we have to be in scene, and it has to be the vessel that I'm tabbed on, right? So in this case, if you take Gemstone 4, you hit launch, moves it out there. It's the active vessel, right? That's the active vessel. That's the vessel that you're focusing on in KSP, right? You can use the Windows key. I kind of like this. This is fine because I can scroll here, you know, but I mean, I need more monitor real estate. What do you guys prefer? You guys like this or what? I like this where I could point at the code. Whoa, it moved it to my other monitor. Oh, okay. All right, I see what's going on in here. That silly penguin's back again. Sure, Pythos, yeah. Sure, buddy. Wait, did you not know about that? Why would I know about that? Because I've coded before? We then need to prepare the rocket for launch. The following code sets the throttle to maximum and instructs the autopilot to hold a pitch and heading of 90 degrees vertically upwards. It then waits for 1 second for these settings to take effect. Okay. So it's looking for a target pitch and a target heading of 90-90. Okay. It looked like it wanted a space right there. Points, vessel, up. Gotcha. Pointy and up. So it's okay. Now, Gemstone has a solid rocket booster. We don't need to really worry about setting the throttle now, do we? Then it wants... Let's keep equals 1. All right, so... First script 1.jpg.py. import time. Okay. Yep, okay. Got it. Is this auto-saving every time I make a change to it? Vessel throttle control, maybe 0 for off and 1 for on. My guess is that it goes from 0 to 1. So here, let's check something. Throttle command input. This is vessel.control.throttle equals. Let's try 0.5. Let's see what 0.5 does. Get into a habit of spanning control as Phil. I'm a 3D artist. I know all about that. I'm a 3D artist by trade, remember? Oh, you see how incessant I hit the save button in Kerbal. It's not that I didn't learn that from playing KSP. Of course, you have a solid, so it won't matter. I just want to see if it steps the throttle, Rocket Guy. That's more to check. It's on a 0 to 1 scale. Thanks, Rasmiel. Alright, so let's get a little fancy with this. How about print command engine start. Yeah, let's wait. Leap 0.5 and then hit it. And this is so vessel.control activate underscore next underscore stage. Boop, boop. Yep, I screwed up. I know, weather guy. Yeah, it's a delay in the code. Alright, so save that. Oh, it's activate. Yeah, okay. Ooh, this gets complicated. Nice. You're running Hello World? Oh. They didn't like it. They didn't like it. No, it said line 11. It doesn't like, Hey, Tips. Huh. I mean, yeah, Tessa, probably. Nope. Con dot space underscore center dot active vessel. Why is it .jpeg? Because I made it .jpeg. You think that's confusing it? Traceback, most recent call last, line 11 in module. Yeah, why is name red? Do I look like I know what a JPEG is? I'll try removing the command and we'll see what happens. This is me flying it, dudes. Are you gonna make rockets land? Let's not get too ahead of ourselves here, Void Ray. The problem is inside of the KRPC code, not your code. Okay. Not mint! Oh! That's gone. A stage though. That looks really nice. No, it's something is wrong with the fairing separation on this thing. It doesn't like it no mo. Here, we'll have fun with this. Devious, shoot me a message on Discord. I don't know, Aqualex. I have no idea. Oh. Hey, just got home. How's the coding? Yeah, definitely already answered you when you asked that like less than 2 minutes ago. So it doesn't like that there. Here, let's try that. Ready? Missing one required positional argument, heading. That changed it. So if I do that and we run it, it's going to throw a different error. Yeah, Band-Aid is required. That's internal to KRPC. Remove the space. That's not going to fix it, guys. I think Devious is right, because it's calling some stuff that I don't understand. See all this stuff down here? It's fine, Element. Yeah, it's actually not too bad. You think so, Bree? Try adding another 90? Yeah, I was gonna say it's looking for heading. Right? Let's try 90, 90, and 90. Ready? It did not like that at all. Alright, Devious, let's see if that fixes it. Let's put it in the same way that it was in before. So, save. This one, we're gonna have to set that throttle step, right? That's a control throttle, it has to equal 1. Alright, let's see what that does. Ready? Whoa! Yeah. Thank you, Devious. You magnificently beautiful man. All right. Well, we got to throttle up the engines, and the engines got to run for a second. And then... How about... So we have command engine start, and then... Clamp release. So we would just need to do vessel.control.activate underscore next stage. Oh, nope. But we need to have a time.sleep command for 2 seconds and then hit the next stage. All right, save this. It needs 2 inputs and expect both inputs to be iteratable, I think. Uh-oh. Well, that's not good. No one's controlling it. Oh, that's not good. I mean, at least we're going up. We're going up. The autopilot didn't engage, dude. So press manual override. Okay, Sonic, where are we gonna manually override this to? Oh, that looks money though. I think script return need a while loop to keep the script running. Headphone users. Kerbal just likes to blast the sound when you hit a lot of parts into the ground all at once. Turn it down. Oh, thank you. We didn't intercontinental. We didn't get very far. I think the script return, we need a while loop. Keep the script running. Put in a 10-second countdown. So when we click run, you have time to get back into the game. Huh. Hang on, some noise. I think there's a critter outside the shop. Give me 1 second. Oh no, it's just, yeah, don't worry about it. It's probably a deer or turkey or something. They're all around all over the place. But yeah, I thought you were coming in. That's why I'm like, huh, okay. Yeah, it's just, yeah, don't worry about it. It's all good. Alright. Maybe it could be wild, Bremo. I don't know. You aware of the multiple desktop feature in Windows, Windows plus tab, desktop to the left. No, I'm not, Aqualex. I prefer to do this way. I don't need any help with my Windows etiquette. Okay? Yeah, I'm good, man. I'm good. Always, Hokie. It's freaking freezing out, dude. Yeah, it's nice in here, though. So, Rocket Guy, that's not how you do that, right? Pesternin, it's probably like 25, 26C in here. That over there is like 10C. Hey, Simulator, what's going on? Too cold. Yeah, it's been really cold. Actually, it was nice. It was like 20C the past 2 days, and now it's 10. So like that, it doesn't like... Devik, I don't know what that... What? Rasmio. Not coded in 15 years. I don't know what the hell that means. I get it. I know what you're trying to get me to do. You want it to basically be active. You don't want it to unload the script. I understand. But saying, oh, put all your code in a one code loop. That yeah, okay, I'll get right on that. Right next to my really nice coding thing. You just seen the... Oh, that's my project folder. Ethan. Yeah, it's alright passing. Pass needs to be identified. Yeah, that doesn't help. Do I look like I know what a loop is? You think it should be okay now. Alright. This will just keep it running forever? Okay. Let's see what it does. Come on. Oh, oh. Oh god. Oh god, it hit. Whoa, no! No! Oh, yeah. Alright, I can't control that. It will not let me take control of this thing. And if it does, it's just gonna find straight up again. It did it. Yeah, no, it's doing it. I'm not controlling that. It's doing its thing. You can use Control C in the terminal. Yeah, okay. So, like if I go over here. Yep, there we go. I got a W. I'm good, buddy. Man, waterfalls. Just look at the illumination. Illumination. Oh, he looks funny. Nice. Alright, cool. Neat. Well, that's pretty cool. Wait, I've been missing a lot. When did you get into modded installs? Like 2 streams ago. Like 2 Kerbal streams ago. You can use a for loop before the launch to show seconds to ignition. Okay. No, Blue, it's guys, it's getting a little bit late in the day. Brain turns to paste trying to learn stuff late in the day. Yes, well, loops will be your friend, as you can set different controls to run at different times for certain conditions. So in the future, you can have something like well abs equals 100 kilometers run ascent logic. Yeah. I've honestly made a lot of progress already. I mean, well, the tutorial is helping me, dude. Let me try something here. So... Oh, no way. You can make it print a panel, huh? Give me 1 second, dudes. Give me 1 second. Okay, that's not really helping me. Where's the part on triggering action groups? Just out of curiosity. Oh no, these tanks are set up a little bit differently. You don't need to do that way. I can set... Okay. What did you go with these new scripts? Just curious. Figure out how it works. Parts mass, dry mass, thrust, available thrust, max. Oh, wow. There's a lot of stuff you can call here. Wow, you have MOI? Inertial tensor. Whoa. Dude, you can get really hardcore with this. Look at all this stuff. Ah, reference frame. Closed loop guidance, anyone? Yeah, this is cool, man. A number between 0 and 9 inclusive. So set action group, state, toggle action group. I need this. I need this. How do you... Oh, there we go. Got it. Oh, you have to prefix it. Okay, hold on. It's vessel.control dot. All right, let's try it up here. Like that, right? Toggle AG, and then group. It's looking for group state after that. I need to enable the hybrid text so the hinges work for reasons. All right. Okay. Okay. Okay, Tamik, I got you. Drummer is a Muppet. Muppet. No, the TWR was low, that's all. Man, that thing is just locked on pointing straight up and down, huh? Perhaps we should. Oh, crap! Ugh. That's fine. This is fine. This is fine. Tuesday. On Tuesday, try to program a hopper. Yeah. Bada boom. Yeah, big bada boom from the cab, remember? Yeah, SpaceX. Yeah, it took Elon a couple of tries. Yeah, hey, so I ain't worried. I ain't worried, man. That's right, Bandit. Yes, Neo. Yes. Not bad. We have an acquisition of signal vehicle. It's healthy. Very nice. Thank you, Rocket Guy. I took care of it, man. I took care of these fools. Let's see what we got. Buck, you want to go watch the Galaxy 3435 VOD. It is, we saw some of the gnarliest angles from any Falcon 9 launch I think I've ever seen. To say the least. Here, I'll show you. So, you know, it launched. Launch was great. You know, everything went really good. Track was beautiful. And then we got this next shot here. Watch the second. Nice, Loopy. Oh, it gets better. It gets better. First stage, bearings. Second stage. Watch. I'm not even gonna say it. I'm not even gonna say what you're looking at. You'll know it when you see it. Dude. The best part? Look back here. There's the first stage. There's the first. Did you see it? That's the first stage. It's gonna land on the damn drone ship. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so good. So when desktop background, yeah. Now watch this. Second stage plume in the background. Unfreaking believable. 14 flights. No big deal. Crazy, right? Look at that. The ascent is up there. See it? Unbelievable. Is that crazy or what? Alright. Anyway, back to what we were doing. So yeah, Buck, it was pretty awesome. Now do that with some code. That's really easy to keep that, with that autopilot locked in position, that's really easy to just keep that hovering there. I mean, the code is keeping it straight up. Let's see if we can just, see if we can go, yeah, there we go. That's pretty neat. Wow, that's really easy to keep that thing straight up like that. Jimmy got the juice. Oh, nice. Nice, Jimmy got the shot. That's awesome. All right. Dude, that's cool, man. That thing is like straight as an arrow. Imagine changing the throttle to keep TWR. Bria, I don't think Das would make that much of a fuss, especially since I made this, you know. You made this, I made this. Quite impressive for just 14 cow controllers. I can make it do that with a cow controller, dude. I can make it fly around with the cow controllers, Havoc. You and I both know that. Burn time is 35 seconds. We need to be able to key into the TWR. How the heck do we do that? Let's go over here. Search the documentation. Input, pitch, yaw, roll, forward, up, right, wheel throttle, current stage, activate next stage, AG. No. Okay, Rocket Guy, yeah. You'll have to calculate it? No, there should be a way to call it. We gotta call for it, right? G-force, mean altitude, surface altitude, elevation, latitude, longitude, velocity, speed, vertical speed, center of mass, rotation, direction, pitch, heading, roll, prograde, retrograde, normal, anti-normal, radial, density. Oh, we could pick up the density if you want. You guys want to deploy some parachutes? That's how model rockets do parachutes. They pick up off the, actually they pick up off the pressure. Lift, drag, speed of sound, Mach. Oh, the Reynolds number. Oh, this can get Ryan Reynolds. Yes, the Ryan Reynolds number. Yes. Why not use dynamic pressure instead of TWR? What would be the benefits of using one over the other? Thrust to weight ratio is already something that Kerbal is calculating. We have to be able to pick up on that, Rocket Guy. Why can't we? Hey Vulcan, 34 months on a launch, dude. What a pretty launch tonight. Just calculate it. Learn to make your first function. Okay. Alright, so... I mean, you want to do that, we have to... There's your function right there, predominant. Alright. You can get thrust and mass from the vessel, right? Right? Okay, so thrust. You can actually track a maximum dynamic pressure and keep your throttle to maintain the maximum allowable dynamic pressure. TWR has nothing to do with max Q by itself. It is all based on tracking a dynamic pressure limit. Huh. What's our goal? I wanted to pick up on the TWR, Bree, and I wanted to maintain a TWR on the way up, find a certain altitude, come back down. Well, Screw the come back down part. I want to get it to throttle and basically get up to a certain altitude and stop and just hover there. That is our goal. That's what we're trying to do. So, okay, over here, all right. We have it staged, and this is the release right here. Oh, you can even mess with the thrust limiters. Oh, you could code tail off like you can with a cow controller. That's actually kind of neat. Okay, I'm not sure how to put this in. Brimo, I need this thing to figure out what's called thrust to weight ratio. The thrust to weight ratio is that math up there. TWR equals T divided by M0 times G. M0 is your mass, right? I need something that's going to basically calculate that all the time and have that output a number. And whatever that number outputs, that's what we're going to have to pick up on. Discordio? Okay. Well, hey, we just needed to make sure that it didn't shut off. So we need to make a function here, right? It looks like the welds for the A4, the Artemis 4 forward skirt are done. Oh. Oh, very nice. Pause. Ah, you thought it was frozen, didn't you? So we're gonna need thrust. And we're gonna need mass. Nope, that's celestial body mass. Part mass, vessel mass. That's what we need. First, get it to just print the thrust and the mass. That'll be for the first block 1B. I'm hype. You hype? I'm hype. Just try to print the values. Okay, so... what do we need to precurse this with? Can we just do mass? Okay, or can we do print mass? It didn't mind that. So that's what predominant gave me right there. Boston.mass. Well, predominant, we don't need this. We don't need that top part, do we? That's already defined up here, right? Want you to make it a function. Predominant, I trust predominant to teach me. Trust me. Yeah. Okay, so we need to make a function. Function. Banana. PWR, more like banana weight to ratio. Music name, New Astronauts by Test Shot Starfish. So we need to, we're defining a function. That's what def function means. Oh. Oh, I collapsed it. It doesn't. Okay, I see it. Let's take that little mamma jamma. Just put that right there. Wouldn't we want surface gravity if it's picking up the acceleration due to gravity at sea level mean altitude on the body? We want to pick up on the surface gravity. So, okay. I can see that the function is collapsible. Okay, I see that. I'm going to cut that, and I'm going to put that... I'm going to put it up here. There we go. It is from vessel.orbit. I wanted to calculate TWR. Can we do that, Rocket Guy? Is that doable? Like that, Pesternan? And then, okay, so, and then we need print. Now you need to call that function. It's define TWR with parentheses? Why, Bombo? Give me something. Talk to me. I'm trying to learn. I thought with Python you don't need to do that. Parentheses are optional. All right. Cool. I mean, yeah, you're defining TWR with a value null initially, right? That's why the parentheses are optional predominant. Did I say that right? No. Didn't say that right at all. Predominance, why the arm emote? Okay. Cool. So, now I needed to... There's no arguments. Okay. Cool. You were close. All right. There's the one. No, you're completely wrong. All right. Okay, so we have our nice TWR definition here. Now we need to pick up on it, right? So how do we pick up on this? We need to write a commit. We need to write something that basically says, like, if TWR is more than 1, it needs to go to 1. And if it's at 1, just keep it at 1, right? I guess I'm just misunderstanding the goal. Nope. I blanked. Rocket guy, I'm confused now. I mean, I just don't see why we want to solve for the weight of the rocket at each time step. Since we are telling the computer we want TWR equal to 1. We need to calculate the... No need to calculate the TWR since we already know the TWR we want. Okay. What if we run this right now? It's gonna fail? It's gonna do the exact same thing that it was doing before. It'll just show us the TWR. It'll just print the TWR in the console, right? Yeah, we just told it to print it. We didn't tell it to do anything else. It's just gonna print an output number. That output number is based off of the function, right? So if I do this, right? And we play this. Nope. It said bad syntax. It's... Oh, jeez. So Bombo was right, huh? I broke it. Oh. Nope. Didn't like that. I mean, it printed it. It printed it. It did it. It did the thing. Yeah, we gotta put it in a loop. It ran it once, right? It was 0 at the time when we called for it. Look at that thing. That thing is staying straight up. Solid as a rock, Marv. Oh, frick. It's solid. Wow. What a hole. Solid as a rock. Until that. It was solid as a rock, but turns out the launch pad is even more solid. Engines? Okay. When did you add some visual mods? When I added this. Alright, so we're going to need a new rocket puzz. You don't want to use this one? We can keep using MLB. You want to use the MLB. No. Biggie, biggie, biggie. You have been a bad monkey. Print TWR needs to go into a while loop. Okay. While loop. Now delete pass in the while loop and add print TWR in its place. E? Does this make you happy? Let's not clap. Let's not clap. It hasn't done nothing yet. Look, Mr. Krabs, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Will it actually print? It'll print in console. It won't print in game unless I make a panel for it and tell it to output that number on a custom panel like this. All right, we don't We don't need that. All right, ready? Bro, the numbers, Mason, the numbers. What do they mean? Oh my gosh, that's a lot of data. So if we just crack it like that, oh yeah, there it is. Just got back from the observatory. Moon, Jupiter, and Saturn are great tonight. No space station passes or SpaceX launches to see. Nice to see KSP back in the rotation. Right on. Now you see why rockets pop out data like crazy. That's right, Bandit. All that telemetry needs to get downloaded basically in real time. It's pretty crazy, dude. Balcony inspection, you're on your own for a bit, fair. Oh! Do we still have TWR? Nope. Next project, the data logger. Oh, you're killing me, Smalls. Yeah, see, we can, guys, we can check the telemetry. We can check the telemetry. Now, fellas, I'll tell you what. Here's the thing. You know when they say we got to review the data? And you know how I say it's always about proving things? I can prove pretty damn conclusively that after the right at this point right here, right at that point, that's when the thing crashed. See? See how the numbers are nice updating numbers and then they aren't? See? Right there? I can prove to you, right there, that it crashed. See what I mean? That's what I mean right there. That kind of crap right there is what I'm talking about when they say they need to prove it with numbers. Right there. That's concrete enough data to know that the rocket hit the frickin' ground. Yeah, of course, geek. Mm-hmm. See what I mean? That is, you can use that. The TWR went from 2.33 to 0, and it just stayed at 0 after that. It hit the ground. See what I mean? That's, you can tell right there. That's a way to prove it. That's what I mean about proving things with the numbers. Dark perspective. Yep. See, Kraken, your last is buried somewhere, dude. I don't know where it is. The altitude went to -0. Yep, see? Also, if you just looked out the window, you can... It means the engine isn't working anymore. Yeah. Do a dot round in TWR function. You don't like it outputting those decimals? This gets more like human space program every day. Altitude at pad was 69. Nice. All right, guys. Well, hey, this is fun. I enjoy this. We could do some despicable things with this, I would say. I hope you guys enjoyed messing around with KSP. We will explore this a little bit more next week. All right, I gotta take my reading glasses off. Yeah, we could do some pretty awesome stuff. I have to have dinner now. Nice work. Nice work. You're learning and fast. I hope to see a landing script by tomorrow, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll see you there. Or something.